Hey guys, welcome to the advanced section of our WordPress penetration testing and security course. In this segment, we will dive deep into advanced security measures to ensure your WordPress site remains security against sophisticated attacks. I am Chandan Godela, and in today's lesson, we will cover securing themes and plugins, enhancing security for e-commerce sites, and performing comprehensive security testing and assessment. So securing your themes and plugins is crucial as they are often the primary target for hackers. So let's explore some best practices to keep them secure. So firstly, always ensure that your downloaded themes and plugins from trusted sources. Avoid using nulled or pirated version as they can contain that malicious code. So download from that reputable sources such as wordpress.org repository, that well-known marketplace like theme forest and code cannon, and directly from the developers official website. Now it's important to enable automatic updates or set a schedule to check for updates at least once a month. Now that conduct code review and security scans before installing a new themes or plugins, because reviews the code or use the tools like you can use the WPScan to identify that potential vulnerabilities. So first one is for that WPScan for vulnerability scan. You can use the theme check plugins for theme reviews. You can use that plugin security checker for that plugin reviews. Now let's move into that e-commerce part. So securing an e-commerce site is paramount because it involves handling sensitive customer information and payment details. So let's look at some specific measure to enhance the security of your WordPress e-commerce site. So first of all, SSL encryption. So you have to implement SSL encryption site wide, and let's basically this ensure that all the data transfer between the user and your website is encrypted. The second one is that always use secure and reputable payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or Authorize.net, which ensure these gateways are configured correctly and use SSL encryption. Then use services like Let's Encrypt to purchase on SSL certificate from trusted provider, and make sure your site is configured to that force HTTPS. Regularly backup your site. Use plugin like Update Plus or that Backup Buddy to schedule automatically backups. So store backup is a secure off-site location. Set a backup schedule to ensure you have the latest version of your site and database available in case of an attack. Lastly, ensure that PCI compliance. This is that critical for handling credit card transaction and involves meeting specific security standards. So by implementing these security measures, you can protect your e-commerce site from potential threats and build trust with your customers. So, and last, first of all, congratulations on completing my WordPress penetration testing and security course. And I hope you now feel confident in your ability to protect your WordPress site from various threats. And I hope you found this course valuable and look forward to seeing you in future tutorials. So stay safe and secure online. So throughout this course, you have done the fundamentals of WordPress security, essential security plugins and configurations, techniques for performing WordPress penetration testings, method for hardening your WordPress installation, advanced security measures for theme plugins and e-commerce site, and how to conduct that comprehensive security testing and assessment. So remember, maintaining the security of your WordPress site is ongoing process. So keep your software updated and regularly review your security practices. Thank you again for joining us to this journey to secure your WordPress site. I appreciate your dedication to improve your cybersecurity skills.